Welcome to the podcast. Today we're talking about something often overlooked in fleet maintenance, the steering wheel, and why those small details really matter for your business.
It's great to be here. You're right. When people think about maintenance, they usually focus on tires or engines, but the steering wheel is the driver's primary contact point.
That makes sense. It's used constantly, every single mile. So what happens when companies don't pay attention to the condition of their steering wheels?
Well, it takes a lot of wear and tear. Over time, the original wheel can deteriorate, get dirty, or just feel worn out, which affects the overall value and feel of the cab.
And I'd imagine that's an even bigger issue when you're managing a whole fleet of lorries rather than just one vehicle.
Definitely. When you have a fleet, those small details add up. Keeping the interior in top shape helps maintain the vehicle's long-term condition and resale value.
Let's talk about those leather coverings from Pride Car Customs. How do they actually help a fleet operator out in the field?
A high-quality leather covering acts as a protective layer. It shields the original wheel from dirt and daily damage while providing a premium, professional finish.
I've heard that the way they fit is pretty crucial too, specifically so they don't twist around the frame.
That's a huge point. If a covering moves or twists, it's frustrating and can affect the driver's grip. You want something that stays exactly where it's supposed to be.
So it's really a twofold benefit then. You're looking after the driver's comfort, but you're also protecting the company's physical assets.
Exactly. The driver gets a much better experience behind the wheel, and the company keeps their equipment looking brand new for much longer.
Does the appearance of the cab play into the company's brand image as well? I mean, these lorries are all over the motorways.
It really does. These vehicles are moving advertisements. A clean, well-maintained cab shows that the business takes pride in how they operate.
It sounds like those small interior details really contribute to the overall impression of a professional fleet.
Precisely. A professional operation isn't just about the exterior graphics. It's about looking after every single part of the vehicle, inside and out.
That seems to be the core philosophy behind what you guys do. It's about combining that protection with a really secure, comfortable fit.
That's the goal. We want to give commercial vehicles those quality finishing touches that make a real difference for both the driver and the owner.
It's a great reminder that fleet maintenance is about more than just keeping the engine running. It's about the entire environment.
Absolutely. When you've invested heavily in a fleet, every single detail matters to the bottom line and the brand.
Well, I think that's a perfect spot to wrap things up. Thanks so much for sharing these insights with us today.
Thanks for having me. It's been a blast talking shop. Just remember to keep a good grip on those details.
We'll do our best. Thanks for listening, everyone. And remember, look after your fleet and take pride in the details.